School in Chicago presenting our honor guard. We now welcome the track surface for the singing of our national anthem. Singer and songwriter.
Patriottismo americano.
This is Gary Crackness.
In uno show come questo, tutti in piedi, sull'attenti e via con l'inno ufficiale.
Stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. O'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streamed, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still waving. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? Oh,
Much better than Christina Aguilera. Now the show can start.